As parents, you want the best for your children. You teach them life skills, basic math, and find good schools. Life will bring challenges, so you need to help your kids be strong and tough. Luckily, here are some simple ways to help build your child's mental toughness. Encourage your child to push themselves a bit more. Even if they resist, learning and growing are important at any age. If your child seems lazy or selfish, do not force them to try hard, but help them see that trying harder can make them stronger. When your child makes a mistake, it's important for them to move on quickly. Help your child understand that mistakes are a normal part of learning. By accepting failure and learning from it, they would be afraid to try again in the future. To help your child build mental toughness, encourage them to repeat activities they enjoy. This will help them feel more independent and confident as they explore the world on their own. It's normal for parents to reward their children for hard work and achievements. However, giving too many rewards can make kids rely on them, leading to a loss of interest when the rewards stop. Instead of focusing on rewards, try encouraging your child with love and positivity. Brain games can help your child build mental toughness. One great game is memory, where your child remembers and repeats patterns. This boosts memory skills and encourages creative thinking. ThinkFun's Gravity Maze is a fun STEM toy that mixes a marble run with brain games. It helps kids build critical thinking skills, provide a fun and engaging way to enhance learning. It's a great gift that is designed for all skill levels, helping your child improve their thinking and problem-solving skills as they grow. To help your child build mental toughness, focus on boosting their self-confidence. With your guidance, they can learn to be persistent, which will help them tackle life's challenges and grow into a happier and stronger person.